I'm A-10 Demo Team Superintendent Master Sergeant Derek Allen from Akron, Ohio. Joining me is our safety officer and combat-ready fighter pilot, Lieutenant Colonel Dylan Thorpe from Woodland Park, Colorado. As a member of Air Combat Command's 355th Wing, located at Davis-Monthan Air Force Base in Tucson, Arizona. It is my distinct pleasure to describe for you a capability demonstration by the world's most heavily armed and armored close air support aircraft, the rugged and dependable A-10 Thunderbolt II. Our mission is to provide the close air support needed for our Army, Marines, and all other allied ground forces so they can operate anywhere, anytime. Since 9/11, the United States Air Force has provided over 900,000 air missions in support of today's joint fight. The A-10 demonstration pilot is Major Cody Wilton, call sign Shield, from Mineral Wells, Texas. Major Wilton enlisted in the Air Force in 2001. Since commissioning in 2009, Major Wilton has become a veteran instructor pilot with more than 1,300 hours in the A-10, including 87 combat missions supporting coalition ground forces in the skies of Afghanistan in support of Operation Enduring Freedom. Assisting in today's demonstration are Tech Sergeant Rob Procasio from Woodbridge, Virginia. Stated and unofficially dubbed it the Warthog. Air Combat Command, Pacific Air Forces, the Air National Guard all fly the A-10. Ladies and gentlemen, from your right, Major Wilton and the A-10 Thunderbolt II. Woo! Wow. Watch now as Major Wilton pulls the A-10 straight to the vertical, demonstrating the Warthog's power and maneuverability.
I don't want to stand here.
Attitudes of flight. Major Wilton is now positioning the A-10 for a pass down the show line, where he will perform a double aileron roll at show center. During this maneuver, he will demonstrate the Hall's rapid roll capability by rolling his 35,000-pound aircraft at 200 degrees per second.
You got him right above us, huh?
From the left, Major Wilton displaying the Warthog's rolling maneuverability.
Well, you know right where to stand, huh?
Directly underneath the cockpit. This false canopy is designed to deceive enemy ground troops as to the Warthog's direction of turn, while concealing a titanium armor barrier that protects the pilot and cockpit from enemy ground fire. Now, from the right, the slow roll. I was choking in the ground, building my brain up in the cloud, falling like ashes to the ground, hoping my feelings let me down. Everything. Devastating firepower, destroying targets in close proximity to ground forces. The A-10's arsenal is amphibious, sniper-guided bombs, missiles, rockets, 30mm bullets, and A-9 air-to-air missiles. All of these weapons have been used to attack enemy forces in Iraq, Bosnia, Kosovo, Afghanistan, and Syria. The A-10's two TF-34 turbofan engines add more than just power to its performance. They're much quieter than comparable engines. This makes the airplane much harder to hear and aids immensely in achieving tactical surprise when attacking. Major Wilton is now repositioning his aircraft to perform a left 360-degree high G turn. It's the A-10's quick turn rate and small turn radius, which enable it to work effectively over the battlefield, even under marginal weather conditions. Racetrack, I will over twice the speed of any driver. On the battlefield, this capability enables the Warthog to turn quickly and evade enemy air defenses. Major Wilton is now configuring his aircraft to demonstrate the A-10's slow speed control ability at its final approach airspeed of 120 knots. Get your cameras...
It's usually near the end.
Huh?
The A-10 and see if Major Wolf has any words for us today.
Just like to thank Cleveland for coming in and showing their support. And of course, all the organizers who invited us to be here tonight.
We're supposed to wait.
Don't put those cameras down yet. The A-10 is the premier close air support aircraft supporting our ground forces. Listen now as Major Wilton says pilot guidance from the J-TAC.
Enough there.
Hog 1 continue. Hog 1 cleared high. Take Major Wilton less than 30 seconds to get back to fire position for a second straight attack. With two mighty hogs working
Did he
together,
do that?
enemy forces could expect to be under A-10
See him
for
do that.
15 seconds. Dropping Mark 82 500-pound bombs. These general-purpose bombs are useful for cratering airfields or destroying buildings. Major Wilton is now performing a takeout maneuver. This continuously changing three-dimensional maneuver makes it very difficult for enemy anti-aircraft gunners to track the A-10. The Warthog was built to withstand significant battle damage while having the capability to fly in a single engine and total loss of hydraulic power. The Warthog has a well-earned reputation for supporting Allied forces in today's joint fight. Now, from your right, Major Wilton in a 4-point roll displaying the crisp handling characteristics of the A-10. So if you're running, stop running. One life, one chance, stop living. Ladies and gentlemen, Major Wilton is now repositioning his aircraft to the right to set up for a dedication pass. We would like to dedicate this pass to the men and women of the Army of Ohio, coming from behind and over your right shoulder. Air Combat Command's A-10 demonstration team proudly presents the dedication pass. Just as free. Free as we'll ever be. Once again, we see all those riding in the joint fight, and any wounded warriors and veterans in attendance today. We would especially like to thank those who give their lives and all of their families who have sacrificed a tribute and skill to our magnificent maintenance crew. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a hand to all aircraft maintainers. Give me your hands. supporting operations in Iraq, Afghanistan, and Syria. As proud members of an all-volunteer Air Force, we hope our performance has inspired you to serve your country alongside the professional men and women we see in action here today, either in the cockpit of an A-10 or on the ground guaranteeing its readiness to fight.
Play.
And as you take your photos and videos, leave it on.